everybody, it's Taz. Welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I'm going to show you how to build some amazing custom jewelry, and we're going to take a look at this beautiful hair. Coming up. I'm pretty sure you all know that I am a rep with Julia.com, and I'm able to review and present a lot of their unique creations throughout the year right here on this channel. They recently launched a partner site. It's called Shesaidyes.com. Shesaidyes.com. The Shesaidyes.com website was developed because it fills a very big niche in the market. So it's still these beautiful handcrafted creations for a variety of occasions and purposes, but they're actually offering a lot of custom options as well as some options for some high grade precious metals. And just like Julia.com, they do have exceptional award-winning quality. They offer money-back guarantees, they have returns, they have free shipping, and an amazing customer service area. So I would urge you to go out and take a look at Shesaidyes.com, and I have become a rep with Shesaidyes.com as well. So I'll go ahead and post my rep code below. If you use my rep code, you can get an additional 10% off of your order at Shesaidyes.com. You'll find rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces, a full men's jewelry line as well. I think you will really going out just browsing all of the options. Now, if you are out there looking for that special piece, it can be kind of daunting, right? Because typically you're buying it for someone else. So if you're a guy out there and you're looking for that special engagement piece, this would definitely be an option for you, because this jewelry is positioned between some of the sterling silver and the very, very high-end diamond jewelry that you typically think of when you think of an engagement piece. So Shesaidyes has you covered. Shesaidyes will offer you an amazing variety, the ability to customize that won't break the bank. These prices are situated well below your typical diamond jewelry, but they do offer you all of the long enduring precious metals. Recently, I had the opportunity to go through their custom process, and I can tell you that it was so much fun and it was absolutely flawless from beginning to end. So I realized that what I'm probably looking for is more of a smaller, minimalist design and something that's simple, yet has some significance to it. And I ended up choosing a solitaire ring. So I'll show you the process that I went through. I'm gonna go ahead and put up a clip of how I used the site to create my own beautiful ring. So I scrolled down to design your own, and I chose ring out of the options, but you could do earrings, you could do a bracelet, you could also do a necklace as your start your custom design. So I clicked on ring, and then the next step was that I would choose my favorite gemstone. Well, I thought about choosing my birthstone, but I do have some pieces in that, but I was looking for that special piece, and I finally landed on the fancy black. Now the fancy black is a beautiful solid stone. It's still faceted, it's still shiny, but it's not translucent. It really reminds you more of an onyx. And the black stones represent healing and wellness. And I thought, gosh, that just sounds really good to me. So I went ahead and chose the fancy black as the gemstone of choice. Now there are some other custom options that you can choose from that aren't listed right there. And you'll have the option of changing that at the end. I'll show you. So the next is that I want to choose the kind of metal that I want. And the price of this ring is going to be determined by that grade, that level grade of precious metal that I chose. So I just really wanted to keep the cost down, and I chose the 10 karat white gold. I do wear a lot of silver, other silver jewelry, and I really like that look. So I went ahead and chose the 10 karat white gold. And so when you make that choice, it's going to come up with all kinds of options. Just, you can scroll and scroll and scroll. Now, if you go over to the right-hand side of the site, you'll also be able to to search by the type of stone that you're looking for. And here's another thing. I wasn't real sure at the beginning what I wanted, but when I saw it, I knew that was exactly it. So I chose the marquee design. It's just so lovely. It's sharp, it's minimalist, it's symmetrical. I just really gravitated towards that marquee cut for the stone. So when I clicked on the marquee, it did bring up all the options for the marquee in that black, fancy black stone on the type of metal that I was looking for. And then if you also look on that right-hand side, you can also choose stones that weren't originally offered to you during the beginning of the process. I think there's a watermelon, kind of a gradient stone. It's beautiful. It looks, kind of has pink that blends into yellow and green, like watermelon. And you can also choose from moissanite. The moissanite is nearly as hard as a diamond. It has more luster and fire in it than a diamond, and it's long lasting and long wearing. It would be a great diamond substitute. You can also choose from the moissanite on certain styles. They also offer some chocolate diamond-like stones as well. So I scrolled through the marquee options and I finally landed on that solitaire marquee cut fancy black. And I thought, this is it. This is exactly what I want. So I went ahead and I finished the process. Now, when you create an account with Shesaidyes.com, they'll also kind of give you a transparent look at the process. They build this ring from scratch. So they put everything together, and a lot of their craftsman journey is listed for you right on your account, so you can tell at what process they're on right now in the creation of your particular custom design. I think that's really neat. Now mine was fairly simple, but you can get really creative with this process. There's even an option that if you have something in mind, you can share your design idea with Shesaidyes.com, and their jewelers can help bring it into life for you. So a lot of guys especially, they have something in mind that they're looking for, but when you're out there just combing all of the websites and stuff, or going to a jeweler, there's nothing that's exactly what you're looking for. This gives you the opportunity to have it built from scratch by Shesaidyes jewelers. So I was really happy with the turn time on this. It came so quickly, and here is the end result. So here is my beautiful solitaire ring, marquee cut fancy black stone in the 10 karat white gold. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, I could not have been more happy. This is exactly what I was envisioning. And sort of just like Julia.com, the Shesaidyes designs are so much more beautiful in person than they can even relay in the photos. Beautiful setting there, more on a minimalist design. And take a look at that fancy black. So you'll see that it's faceted, it's kind of buffed out and glistening on the surface, but it's a solid stone, so there's no transparency to it. It just really reminds me of the finest onyx. I am just thrilled about this stunning piece, and the whole process was seamless. So I would suggest that if you yourself, or if you know someone that is in need of an engagement piece, is an anniversary piece, or maybe a gift like Mother's Day, even Father's Day, or graduation, some of those special milestones in life, be sure to look at Shesaidyes.com rather than go to the jeweler. You'll save yourself thousands for a piece, a high quality, exceptional piece with a beautiful stone. Have some fun with this too. I would suggest that you go out and build your own, and keep going through that process until you find exactly what you want. It's a lot of fun to do, and the process is, like I say, seamless. It arrives fairly quickly, and I am so happy with this product. So let's talk about this gorgeous hair as well. I just want to briefly touch on this because I know a lot of you out there are going to ask me. This is the Belle Tress Caliente in the color Tres Leches Blonde, a newer blonde by Belle Tress. I really love this piece. I love Caliente, and gosh, would have it in every color if I could. I think my collection has grown to about 7 Calientes now in different colors. But you can purchase this at Wig Studio One. I'll leave the links below this video. And at Wig Studio One, the Belle Tress styles are always an automatic 30% off at checkout. So if you find the color that you want and you just add it to your cart, go to the checkout and you'll see that it was discounted by an additional 30%. Free shipping over $150. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. I would just like to thank Shesaidyes.com for giving me the opportunity to build my custom ring. And I couldn't be more thrilled with everything. The quality, the design, the customer service was just top notch. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you again real soon on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.